The stories of drought make familiar news every summer in Maharashtra. The state is home to 1/4 of India's drought-prone districts. Many villages depend on water tankers for drinking water supplies. However, Bhojtari, located in semi-arid area of the same state, has a different story to tell. Pushpa Vikas Hande, a resident of Bhojtari in Sangamner block of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra, is an active member of the village water management team. The team prepares a budget for water before every cropping season.
माझ्या गावामध्ये 3 वर्षापासून पाण्याचा ताळेबंद हा कार्यक्रम चालू आहे. यावर एक कमिटी नेमलेली असून त्या कमिटीची मी सभासद आहे. तसेच प्रत्येक महिन्याला वॉटर बजेटिंग विषयी ज्या मीटिंग होतात ते आम्ही नियमितपणे करतो.
The village water management team makes sure that each liter of water available in the village is efficiently utilized and there is enough water left to maintain a healthy ecosystem as well. Behind the successful management of water in Bhojtari is a project called Water Stewardship, run by Watershed Organization Trust, also known as WOTR in Pune.
There are 4 major components of the Water Stewardship Initiative. The first, Jal Sevaks. Second, village water management teams. Third, the water stewardship plan, which include the water budgeting process. And the fourth, the stakeholder engagement process, which bring the diverse stakeholders together for the planning and the actions.
WOTR's initiative of water stewardship in Bhojtari is an example of an ecosystem-based approach to water management.
Ecosystem-based adaptation is a nature-based and human-centric approach to adaptation, restoring the health of the ecosystem, maintaining it through participatory governance, while also contributing to improved livelihoods and better adaptive capacity of the local community is at the heart of EBA. In practice, this is a holistic approach that combines several areas of intervention, such as sustainable agriculture, locale-specific weather and crop advisories, water use management, and biodiversity conservation, both at the farm and landscape levels.
आणि आपल्याकडे पाऊस किती पडतो तर 456 मिलीमीटर. हा पाऊस कुठून आणला आपण तर आपल्या गावामध्ये एक वेदर स्टेशन आहे आणि एक रेनगेज आहे. ह्या रेनगेजच्या आपण मापन करून हा पाऊस आपण या ताळेबंदाच्या बरोबर आणलेला आहे.
WOTR has trained the village water management team on how to prepare a water budget for a particular cropping season. Yogesh Aglave, who works as Jal Sevak, visits the village regularly and holds meetings and training sessions on water management.
Jal Sevaks are the rural youths who are trained and they facilitate the villagers for preparing the water management plans and execute it at the village level.
2018ला मी पाण्याचा ताळेबंद केला. त्या ताळेबंदामध्ये आमच्या असं लक्षात आलं की लोकांनी जास्तीत जास्त वापर शेतीसाठी पाण्याचा केला आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही ताळेबंदमध्ये जास्त जे पाण्याची पिकं आहे ते कमी केले आणि 2019 या वर्षी या गावासाठी पाण्याचा टँकर आलाच नाही.
नियोजनानुसार कोणत्या हंगामात कोणती पिकं घ्यायची आणि त्यांना किती पाणी वापरायचं हे प्रत्येक शेतकऱ्यांनी ठरवलेलं आहे.
आणि आज जर बघितलं तर आज 2020ला अजून त्यांचे ओढ्याचं पाणी वाहत आहे.
Rainwater is the primary source of water in Bhojtari. The average rainfall is between 400 to 600 mm. Given its limited rainfall and semi-arid climate, an ecosystem-based approach is vital.
जंगलामध्ये तुम्हाला झाडं तुम्हाला हिरवळ दिसेल, पण याचं जर आम्ही 92च्या अगोदर जर पाहायला गेलो असतो तर 92च्या अगोदर आमची पोरं, आमची लहान मुलं या डोंगरांवरती घसरगुंड्या खेळत होते. म्हणजे विना अडथळा वरून तर खालपर्यंत यायला कोणताही अडथळा नव्हता. ना सीसीटी नव्हती, ना ट्रेंचेस नव्हते, ना कोणतंच काही नव्हतं.
Thanks to WOTR's watershed development works done in the 1990s, the village conserves the maximum amount of rainwater on its landscape.
Today, you will not recognize the Bhojtari I was familiar with. Today, the hills are green. Today, there is sufficient water. Most importantly, all the children have gone to school and are now able to complete their schooling, because they are no longer needed to fetch water, the girls particularly, nor look after the cattle and go to the fields, because their productivity has risen so much that the children were no longer needed by the house, by the family, to look and provide for their needs.
Apart from the Water Stewardship Initiative, WOTR has also implemented a climate change adaptation program in Bhojtari, such as sustainable agriculture, local specific crop and weather advisories, water use management and biodiversity conservation. Ganpat Babaji Hande has faced the adverse impacts of climate change. Based on inputs from WOTR, Ganpat gave up hybrid seeds and monocropping and started using local varieties with multi-cropping, organic manure and micro-irrigation to minimize his losses in agriculture.
पारंपरिक वाण जे जुने वाण आहेत त्या वाणाकडेच वळलं पाहिजे. त्यासाठी जुने आपण गव्हाच्या जाती आहेत. आता मी इथं समोर मागं पाठीमागं दिसतोय हा बक्षी गव्हाचा जुना वाण आहे. हा फार पूर्वीचा वाण आहे आणि ते गेल्या वर्षी मी एक जणाकडून 1 किलो बियाणं आणलं. ते 1 किलो बियाण्याचं बी स्वतः घरी लागवड करून ते आज परत मी स्वतः पेरलेलं आहे.
Making agriculture climate resilient was an important focus of WOTR's CCA program. A range of adaptation initiatives were started in Bhojtari, including trainings on preparing and using organic manure, biopesticides and multi-cropping. Manjula Sunil Rohoti is one such farmer who gave up chemical farming.
2-3 वर्षापूर्वी ना रासायनिक शेती करीत होतो, पण पाणी कमी पडल्यामुळे माळ जळायला लागली. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही सेंद्रिय शेती करायला लागलो. मग पीक पण यायला लागलं. पाणी जरी कमी पडलं तर तेवढं हवेने त्या खताच्या आणि ते पाणी हवेवर पीक येत होतं.
WOTR has also set up an automated weather station in Bhojtari to provide local specific weather advisories to farmers via SMS. The weather station provides data for agriculture and livestock management, water budgeting and disaster risk reduction. Ganpat Babaji Hande uses the Farm Precise app developed by WOTR. The app provides dynamic weather-based crop management advisories that are tailored for crop and farm-specific conditions. This enables a farmer to make appropriate and beneficial farming decisions.
त्या ॲपमधून शेतकऱ्यांसाठी फार उपयुक्त माहिती आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पिकाचं नाव लिहिल्यानंतर पिकाला केलेला आपण खर्च लिहिला, मजुरी लिहिली तर तो सगळं जमा खर्च करते आणि त्या ॲपमध्ये आपण पिकाचे फोटो काढले पाठवले तर ते आपल्याला कोणती औषधं कोणते खतं द्यायची ते सगळं ते आणि कोणता रोग पडलेला आहे त्याच्यावर कोणतं औषध मारायचं हे सुद्धा त्या ॲपद्वारे सांगितलं जातं.
Participatory governance is the key to the successful management of a community's natural resources. WOTR helped Bhojtari to form diverse committees and also build their capacity for biodiversity conservation, water management, forest management and women's empowerment. The functional committees have ensured the gains from the projects remain sustainable. WOTR's initiatives such as soil and water conservation and afforestation in the 1990s, then climate change adaptation initiatives in 2009, and finally the ongoing project on water stewardship have led to the restoration of a healthy ecosystem in Bhojtari.
The adaptation interventions in Bhojtari have had several positive impacts over the years. The forest cover has improved significantly, and about a third of the degraded lands have been transformed into scrub forests. Agriculture productivity has gone up by about 30%, and a similar increase can be seen in terms of household income levels. And most importantly, groundwater levels have improved significantly. There is about 87% increase in the surface water storage capacity, and the severe droughts and acute water shortages in the village are a distant memory.
If ecosystems-based adaptation is practiced across Maharashtra and India, it can help us to achieve our sustainable development goals, meet our land degradation neutrality targets, our Paris Agreement commitments, and at the same time, it helps to build the resilience of our landscapes and its people.